everyone, this video is sponsored by Walmart. It is this month's Walmart haul, and the focus of this one is sweater weather. Sweater weather and jacket weather, even though as I'm filming this, it is neither of those things for me in South Texas. A girl can dream. So I have 5 outfits to show you, and before we get any farther, if you're not familiar with how this works, if you look down in the description box, which is that area that says show more, I will have everything listed, broken down by the outfit in the order in which I'm talking about it here, and I will have sizing and pricing and links if you're interested in learning more or purchasing any of the things that we're talking about today. I say this every month, but this month I feel like I really found some standout pieces that I think you are really going to enjoy, so keep on watching. We're gonna talk about this last. It's probably the standout favorite of everything I have to show you today, but I have 5 kind of outfits to share with you, all kind of the sweater weather theme. Walmart has amazing sweaters. I have so many in my collection. I have quite a few that they keep bringing out year after year, and I just keep adding new colors and so forth, but all of these are new. So none of this is new except for the sweater. This is either a collared sweater or a polo sweater, and I had seen versions of this at much higher end prices, and so when I saw this pop up on the Walmart website, it's part of their free assembly line, I was very excited. I have found quite a few items, 2 things I think in particular I'll link to last month's haul, that are very similar to some very famous brands that shall remain nameless during this video, but I think you're gonna know who I'm talking about. But anyway, this one I was really excited to see on the Walmart website because I had tried ordering it when I saw it at the higher end price and it was sold out. So when this popped up, the exact same color, this nice rich camel. So outfit number 1, most of it you've seen before. So the focus of this is the sweater. It's brand new. It's a new release from their free assembly line, and I absolutely love it. I have seen versions of this sweater earlier this year when fall things were released in other retailers' websites at a much higher price point than this one, and they were all sold out. So when I saw this pop up, I was very, very excited. The quality of this is outstanding. It is incredibly soft. It feels so luscious. I love the way that it drapes. I love the uniqueness of the color. I don't know that I've ever owned a colored sweater before, and I absolutely love this rich camel color. You can kind of adjust it a little bit. You can either pull it up and sort of tuck it into itself. You can do a little front tuck. It's a pretty versatile piece. And because of the way it's cut, you could also layer it under, I'm thinking a blazer or some kind of jacket if the weather's even colder. But I love this. I especially love it for the transitional season that we're going through as we ease our way into fall. Outfit number 2 features 2 pieces that are from the Sea Wonder line, and I don't think the Sea Wonder line, I think it is a really classic preppy line. I think it draws inspiration from a particular higher end brand, but without the higher end brand price tag. So the 2 pieces that are featured in this outfit, I've shown you the leggings before, is this gorgeous, gorgeous poncho. Ponchos are all the rage. We saw them kind of popping in last year. They are back full force this year. I love this, and I've layered this over this really cool kind of mock neck, turtleneck blouse that has all the colors of the season, really fun pattern. I don't know that I would wear this blouse on its own over leggings. With the poncho layered over it, I feel very covered and appropriate, I guess is the word I'm looking for. If I were to wear this alone, I would pair it with either some black jeans or black pants, skirt, not just over leggings. I don't personally think it's long enough. Now, if you like this print on the mock neck, they have similar or even the same patterns on, I think, another shirt and a dress, and I'll link those below. The poncho does have a little hook in the front so you can keep it closed, or you can wear it open either way. And again, you can layer this over just about anything. You can either wear it as part of the outfit, or you could throw it over your existing outfit as some sort of jacket or wrap if things get a little cooler, especially in the evenings. I could easily see myself wearing this at a Friday night football game when the sun goes down and it gets a little bit chillier. Outfit number 3 features a very classic, very basic wardrobe staple for fall winter, and that is an oversized funnel neck sweater. I love the color. I love the weight of it. It is very warm, even though it's more of a looser knit. Trust me, it is a warm sweater and it feels really soft against the body. It's just one of those things, sometimes you just have to go for the basics, and this would look great. It's long enough to wear probably over leggings, definitely over skinny jeans. You could do a little tuck. I tucked it into actually one of the front pockets for a little side tuck, a little action if you want a little more shape to it. But I'd say it runs true to size and definitely something you would pull out of your closet year after year to wear. I almost forgot to talk about the sneakers. So these sneakers, I love me a pair of Wedge sneakers. I love these in particular because they're the Time and True brand, which means they have the memory foam inside. I prefer a Wedge sneaker. It's almost like a sneaker booty because it elongates the leg a little bit more than just a regular flat booty. The Wedge is very small inside here. It has a zip on the inside side. Very comfortable. These run true to size as well. Outfit number 4, the star of this outfit, because everything else you've seen before, is this puffer jacket, and it is a packable puffer jacket, and I love this. It is just under $25, comes in a ton of colors. I wanted something bright and fun for winter time, so I grabbed the red. And what is especially great about this, aside from the price and the fact that it is incredibly warm and that the pockets are lined with sort of a fleece material, so they're super warm inside, is that it actually has the instructions for how to fold it back together printed on the inside of the jacket. So you fold it all up according to these directions, and it folds into this little pouch that's on the inside that makes it perfectly packable when you are going away. I think it is an ingenious idea. I've seen other ones where they have a tag. Everybody loses the tag. I think this is great. I love the price point. I love all the colors. I'm thinking if you want to get one in your team colors, you could wear it. I'm always thinking football games. You could wear it to a late season football game or just to color coordinate with some outfits. But I love the price. I love how it fits. I love that it has a hood. Oh, and I should show you that the hood is actually detachable. It has a zipper that goes all the way around. Not sure that you can see that. The zipper is the same color as the rest of the jacket, but I love that feature for $24.98. Incredible. Hey everyone, you may notice that my hair and makeup are different. I had finished filming the video and then one last thing showed up. Oops. I love this. It was worth the wait. So this top is from the Time and True line. Now I showed you, I think it was last month, a puff sleeve top from Free Assembly, and I absolutely love it. And I think it's still available in a few colors. I'll link that one below under this one. But this one is from Time and True, and it's very similar in that the material is more of a sweatshirt material. It even has this kind of V-neck cut into it. But the sleeves are actually a little more exaggerated, definitely more puffy, and it just fits a little bit differently. So if you've been looking for a puff sleeve top that can easily be worn with joggers, you can definitely dress this up. It wears very well with jeans as well, as I think it does here. I really love this, and I love this price point because this is a trendy item. Puff sleeves are probably not gonna be around more than a year or two. And so why invest in a statement piece when you can pick up something from Walmart, specifically their Time and True line, which has always been a really good line for me. And this runs true to size. I'm wearing it in a size small, and it's really comfortable as well. Also comes in quite a few other colors. The very last outfit I have to show you is a one-piece outfit. It is this glorious one-piece off-the-shoulder jumpsuit from Sofia Vergara. I love this because I came of age during Flashdance. I remember cutting up all of my sweatshirts when I was a little girl. I love that one shoulder thing. Now, if this is a little off-putting to you, you don't want to wear a strapless bra all day, or maybe you don't like the idea of wearing a jumpsuit. I've heard from a lot of you that you are put off by jumpsuits or one-piece like rompers because what happens if you have to go to the bathroom, you feel naked? Well, just wear a tank underneath it and then problem solved. And then you can wear a regular bra on top of that. But I love that this is a one-piece outfit, and some of the details make this very unique and I feel a lot more comfortable to wear and a lot more versatile piece. So I like that this top is a lot more blousey than the bottom. So you can blouse it over the waist. I love that it has a removable tie belt to accentuate that waist. I love the side pockets. I'm putting my hands in the pockets like you can see. And I love that the legs are not super, super tight, but they do run more slim, but that they're cuffed at the ankle. I just think that whole look the whole silhouette makes it a lot more of a flattering piece. Now, I just paired them with basic black booties that you can find anywhere, but if you really wanted to dress this up, you could wear heels, you could throw a blazer over this. If you want to dress it down, throw a jean jacket over it, wear sneakers with it. It's a really versatile piece. It's a lot of fun. I would wear this for a night out. I think this is great, but it's also great just to wear lounging around the house. It is so comfortable. This material is so incredibly soft. So for me, this is the standout piece. I feel like it runs, if not true to size, even maybe a little bit big. I'm wearing it in a size small, and I would say I have plenty of room in this, and I'm pushing a size small. So if you are wondering if you're between sizes, if you're size 4 or size 2, I would say maybe even size down to an extra small. But I just love this. I cannot wait to continue to wear it once it cools down just a little bit. Be sure to check out the description box for all the information on sizing and prices and the links to shop any of these. Thanks again to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Thanks as always to all of you for making these opportunities possible. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.